my feet are really hurting. And I can't wait to sit down and not fucking move. They say they have food there. I really hope so. Otherwise, I have to live off of bananas, beans, and nuts. I can't wait to arrive. Morning. So fucking tired today. And today's gonna be the longest day of walking, I think, so far. And I'm not really looking forward to it. My left foot underneath is very, the skin is sore or something. It can feel like a blister, but I can't get to it with needles or anything. It's just, I don't know what's going on. So, we'll see. I'm in this room that I had for the night. And in 5 or 6, maybe more hours, I will be at a new place. And one step at a time. Exiting Jelling. Didn't see anything. Yesterday I walked for around and trying to figure out where to stay. Did eat Belgian waffle though with ice cream. That was good. Yeah, just started out walking 3 kilometers to get nowhere because the store was closed. So that was great. Now I'm on track, I think. We'll probably have the longest day today, even though it looks on a piece of paper it says 29. On my app it says about 20. So we'll see. But the journey must go on, even though I am not in a mood of walking today. Although it's very cool compared to the other days, so that's really nice. Not very sunny, or not sunny at all, not warm. Just kind of cool. So step by step on to the next one. I'm taking a break just because it's a quiet little place. Some houses over here. And I don't know how far there's left. It's hard to judge. But I'm hoping that it'll be less than 3 hours of walking more. I've walked close to 2.5 hours now, and that means I've walked at least 10 kilometers and I'm not even halfway there. Oh, it's going well. Overall, I feel pretty strong. Underneath my left foot there is something, and it's weird what that is, but it's not the bone or muscles. It's sort of the skin or something, or underneath the skin, and it's not a blister. And as you can see on the picture there, the first one of the first Camino shells from the spot down there was on one of the houses, so that's really cool. And then you got one of those ones. It had to happen at some point. Raining. And I found out this is a little bit too small, and it will not cover my legs at all, but cover my backpack, so that's all good. Yeah, rainy. It's raining a lot, and I have 8-9 kilometers to go. It's gonna suck, but it's gonna be okay. Sounds good on. Tractor meetup, I guess. I'm struggling, and my left foot is killing me. Less than about 4 kilometers left now. It's been raining, pouring down actually, sort of clearing up now. I really look forward to be at the albergue. Hopefully there's room. It must definitely be between 25 and 30 today, because I haven't been walking very fast the last couple of hours. Doing in for the home stretch. I believe is my home for the night, and I can't wait because I am really struggling. My feet are really hurting, and I can't wait to sit down and not fucking move. They say they have food there. I really hope so. Otherwise I have to live off of bananas, beans, and nuts. I can't wait to arrive. That's the cross we're looking for. Arrived. Arrived, showered, and I slept the last few hours. And now I'll take you on a tour. That is used for events. It's like an old farm. Shower and stuff in there. Really nice place. And I think they're renting out rooms for workers and all kinds of folks. I'm having a pizza and some beans. Not very special, but needed anyway.